Happy Valentine's Day, folks. This is SuperTales22, and welcome to this special Valentine's Day gameplay.
Get ready to spread a little love and have fun in minigames in Super Mario Party.
Ho ho! Number one!
Oh,
Valentine's Day.
Valentine's Day is number one.
Oh, yeah.
Ooh, that sounds really exciting.
Oh, it sure is. I'm gonna have you call out who's going to be playing.
Oh, really?
Oh yeah. So take it away, princesses.
Oh, okay. Let's see what we have. It's over there, Daisy. Huh. So the first one who's going to be playing is Luigi.
Oh, that sounds exciting. Ho ho!
And the other one who's going to be playing is Daisy. Oh, sweet. I get to play. Huh. That sounds really exciting. The next one is, let's see, Rosalina. Greetings. Hey, Rosalina, how's it going? Great to see you too, Daisy. And the last one is going to be Waluigi.
Waluigi number one.
Oh, what a great little group here.
Ho ho! I'm really excited. Especially when Waluigi's here.
Oh, I wish good luck to each and every one of you.
Oh, I'm really excited.
Me too.
Oh, I'm excited as well.
Oh, yeah.
Well, now that we got that settled, let's go have some fun in minigames, shall we?
Sure, Mario, let's go.
Here we go.
Here we go. Okie dokie, everybody is here and ready to party.
Oh, I'm excited.
Me too.
Luigi's leading the way to soundstage.
Oh, we're gonna do soundstage.
Oh yeah.
It's gonna be exciting.
Oh yeah, we do this. Okie dokie, I'm excited.
Oh, Waluigi's more than excited.
Ho ho. Skip that little bit. We'll do normal.
Oh, yeah. I'm really excited. Here we go. Oh, yeah.
Let's do this. Greetings.
Waluigi time.
Piece to the beat.
Oh, I did it perfectly.
Oh ho, Luigi did too.
I'm excited.
Let's go.
Okie dokie. Let's see the first one. I'm not sure if we ever did this one. This one's kind of new. It's rhythm and something to do that. Oh, getting the rhythm of it. Wow.
Wow. Oh. Wow.
Oh,
Oh, getting close on the score.
Wow.
I think Luigi missed on that one.
well,
That
that
one
was,
went super fast.
huh.
Oh,
Oh.
the tablecloth. It's the tabletop trick.
Oh, yeah.
Party trick, dear. I think it's a pour it straight down, I think.
Oh.
Just like Luigi.
Oops.
It's fast paced.
Ugh.
For the time, Luigi forgot to do it.
Oh, yeah.
Oh.
Oh.
Luigi keeps toppling over. Oh, the one's
Oh.
moved. Wow. Now to flip the panel
Oh, this is exciting.
for the last one. There's a me and a you. Look at that.
Oh, yeah. Oh, that's the boo.
It's a boo. I think Rosalina got hers horribly timed.
Oh, Luigi.
And the scores have been blocked out because, you know, it's the last one.
Oh, yeah.
Bowser and his minions.
Oh, it's Peach.
Oh, nice. And it's me. It's Mario.
Wow.
Oh, there's me as well.
Oh, wow. And Yoshi. And me and the Yule bud, Luigi.
Oh.
Oh, that's sweet.
Brothers.
Woohoo!
Now we'll see who's the winner.
I'm excited to see.
Okie dokie. Let's see who is the winner of Soundstage.
Oh, I'm excited.
Hey there.
Oh, even Luigi.
Hello.
Oh, wonder who
Oh,
else
who
is going
won?
to wave.
Who won?
Let's see.
Oh, who won?
Sweet, I won! Woohoo! Oh yeah. Ba-da-ba-da. Sweet, look at me dance. Woo!
Oh, Daisy's the winner.
I sure am. I
Let's
got
see.
my feet moving.
Oh, just by very little there. You edged out Luigi.
That's really fun.
Okay, we'll stop here.
Oh, nice job, Daisy.
Oh,
Wow.
Well, just winning that makes me want to dance some more.
oh,
Woo.
Nice. I was. Oh,
Hehe. It's a shame I lost.
oh. It's just about to tell you to come on out, Daisy.
I just did.
Oh.
Hmm.
Well, Daisy's the winner.
Well, we already know that. Nice job.
Thanks for the hug. Oh, that's sweet.
Oh. Valentine's Day is a fun day.
Oh yeah, it really is. Nice job on winning that soundstage, Daisy. Thanks, Peach. Woo!
Oh. Guess that's it for that.
Oh, yeah.
Well, anyways, that'll pretty much cap off this Valentine's Day gameplay. So, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more. So, tune in next time for the next gameplay video. See you in the next one. See you soon.
Take care now. See you soon. Farewell.
Bye bye. Waluigi is out.
Bye bye.